Thinking about flipping houses in Sarnia, Ontario? With the right strategy, it can be a rewarding investment. But is it really as easy as it looks on TV? Let's break it down. Hi, I'm George with Blue Coast Realty, your trusted experts in the Sarnia Lambton housing market. Whether you're buying a home, selling a home, or investing in real estate, we're here to guide you every step of the way. Flipping houses can be profitable, but success depends on knowing the Sarnia real estate market. Here's what you need to consider. Step 1. Research the market. Sarnia offers affordable Ontario homes compared to other cities. Look for properties in high-demand neighborhoods with strong resale potential. Step 2. Find the right property. The best flips start with smart purchases. Seek out homes priced below market value that need cost-effective upgrades. Step 3. Budget wisely. Factor in purchase price, renovation costs, and selling expenses. A detailed budget keeps your investment on track. Step 4. Renovate smart. Focus on high-impact upgrades, kitchens, bathrooms, and curb appeal. Buyers in Sarnia Lambton love move-in ready homes. Step 5. Sell strategically. Pricing and marketing matter. Work with a local real estate expert to attract home buyers and maximize your profit. Flipping houses in Sarnia can be a great opportunity, but it requires planning and expert guidance. That's where we come in. For tailored advice and latest market insights, reach out to Blue Coast Realty today. Let's turn your real estate goals into reality.